In 1 Chronicles chapter 12, the story continues to show how God established David as king over Israel. While the previous chapter focused on David's anointing and his mighty warriors, this chapter highlights the growing number of men from every tribe who came to support him. What began as a small group of loyal followers eventually became a united nation gathered around God's chosen king. The chapter begins by looking back to the period when David was still fleeing from King Saul. While David was staying at Ziklag, brave men from the tribe of Benjamin, Saul's own tribe, came to join him. These warriors were highly skilled with bows and slings and could fight with either their right or left hand. So at first David cautiously questioned their intentions. He wanted to know whether they had come in peace or to betray him. Then the Spirit of God came upon Amasai, one of the leaders, who declared his loyalty to David. He proclaimed that they belonged to David and supported him because God was helping him. David welcomed them into his ranks. The chapter then describes warriors from the tribe of Gad who joined David while he was hiding in the wilderness stronghold. These men were renowned fighters, skilled with shield and spear. They are described as being as fierce as lions and as swift as gazelles on the mountains. Their courage and military ability greatly strengthened David's forces. As time passed, more and more men came to David daily because God was building an army around him. Warriors from many tribes gathered, recognizing that the Lord had chosen David to rule Israel. The chapter records men from Judah, Simeon, Levi, Benjamin, Ephraim, Manasseh, Issachar, Zebulun, Naphtali, and Dan, Asher, and the tribes east of the Jordan. Each group brought soldiers, commanders, weapons, and supplies. One group received special mention, the men of Issachar. They were men who understood the times and knew what Israel should do. Their wisdom helped guide the nation during a critical period of transition. The warriors of Zebulun are praised for their loyalty. They came fully committed, ready to support David wholeheartedly. Likewise, soldiers from other tribes arrived in great numbers, prepared for battle, and determined to unite the kingdom. Eventually, representatives from all Israel gathered with David at Hebron to transfer the kingdom from the house of Saul to David. The chapter emphasizes that these men came with a single purpose and a united heart. There was no division among them. They recognized God's will and willingly joined together to accomplish it. A great celebration followed. For 3 days the people ate, drank, and rejoiced with David. Families from nearby regions brought food and supplies. The chapter concludes by saying that there was joy throughout Israel. This chapter marks a major turning point. David's kingdom was not established merely by military strength, but by God's guidance and the willing unity of the people. Men from every tribe recognized God's plan and came together with one heart around God's purpose. When people set aside division and follow God's direction together, great things can be accomplished. Next comes 1 Chronicles chapter 13, where David seeks to bring the Ark of the Covenant to Jerusalem.